What if you could mirror the exact trades of professional traders on FTMO, Funded Next, and 5%ers, earning between 5 and 37% monthly without even lifting a finger? Today, we're going to be talking about a platform that allows you to do exactly that. None of this is financial advice, but let's get on with the video. So this is Wealthflow, and what these guys do is incredibly unique. These guys actually allow you to copy verified traders from the top trading platforms, such as Funded Next, FTMO, and 5%ers. So what does that mean? Well, basically, there will be traders that are earning between 5 and 37% on their monthly trades on their accounts. And what you would do with this is essentially automatically copy those traders. And if those traders don't actually make those gains every month, they get delisted from the platform. So actually pretty safe with verified traders on this platform itself. And that's why they've designed it specifically for smart investors. Here you can see it says Wealthflow is the first platform where top, consistently profitable investors and prop firm traders share their strategies after passing the 90-day rigorous verification process, allowing people to copy their trades automatically to their accounts. So basically, these top traders will be sharing their trades publicly with this system. You would just follow them, and you would instantly get in trades when they get in trades, and you would instantly make profit when they make profit as well. Now, these guys really do pride themselves on transparency and trust, and that's why they make sure all of their traders have to connect their real funded prop firm accounts, not demo accounts, real accounts showing the exact amount of money that they're actually trading. Then you can go through and look at all of these traders and decide which one is the best one for you and your investment strategy. And then, yes, you would profit when they profit. And they do this through a monthly auditing system where they would basically take all of the data from the traders' accounts and then show it to everyone so they can decide whether they want to invest, continue investing, or take out their investment and invest with someone else. As you can see, this idea is growing quick with 5,000 users, 5 verified traders, and they're supporting in up to 15 different countries. As well as that, they do support up to 300 plus different brokers and exchanges. And those exchanges could be Bybit, for example, or IC Markets, or Exness, just to name a few of the powerhouse brokers that you could essentially use when using this platform. Because the truth is, as this says, most traders or investors don't actually make money when it comes to investing in the markets. And that is why actually only 11 to 26% of manual investors end up actually winning. So the way these guys have basically planned their entire business model is to say, hey, let's get those winning traders and allow people to copy those traders. That way, you're not going to be bugged by your adrenaline when you're in trades because you know your money is in good hands with the traders that are consistently profitable on the platform. And there are stats and audits to back that up. Now, this is a great way to invest your money because normally you're going to be going through Telegram signal groups and all of these different finance gurus, and that could be something where you could actually get burnt quite a lot because there's no way to actually verify whether those people are legit. Whereas on this, you can see all of the stats and you can basically just put your money in the platform, press follow, and you're good to go to follow those traders that are being vetted by the platform itself. This platform is actually built by quant traders, so they know what they're doing and they can really just vet any of these new traders that do show up. And again, those traders have to be profitable for 90 days to really get involved with this platform for the long term. So how much does this actually cost? Well, as a user, you're basically going to get a free starter account. You can see 1 free account hosting, 1 pro trader to connect and follow with, and then, yeah, you get a bunch of other stuff here as well for free. But if you want to manage multiple copy trading accounts, then you can do so here with the Portfolio Builder. And it's super easy to get involved. Just press the link in the description and you're going to be sent to this exact page. Then you're just going to sign up to the platform, connect your account, and then begin following those successful traders. And this is honestly the best way to actually use your investment that's liquid because yes, you're actually putting it somewhere with verified proven results. And these traders are being vetted all of the time by the guys that run this platform. So that is Wealthflow. Definitely check it out in the description, guys. That is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.